Hi there. So if you use a Beaulieu Super 8 camera like the 4008 or the 2008, you probably have noticed how awkward the grip feels in your hand. It's almost like there's a part missing here at the bottom and no way I can hold it comfortably. Either I do it that way or I cramp all my fingers inside here. So that's why we developed a small accessory. It's a simple attachment grip, looks like this, has a screw on top and a 1/4 inch tripod attachment at the bottom. You just screw it inside the camera and you can see it here. Now it's much more comfortable to hold it that way. Let me show you in the right hand how you would normally use it, like this. That's the proper way to hold the camera, in my opinion. And as a little addition, we also developed this filter key that is a must-have if you use modern daylight film with the camera, as it deactivates the tungsten filter inside of the camera. Tell me what you think. Thanks for watching.